Concrete driveway, stamped concrete driveway, South Bend, Indiana. Benefits of concrete for your driveway: versatility, affordability, fire and heat resistance, low maintenance. Concrete driveway services we offer: concrete driveway installation, concrete driveway repair and maintenance. Types of concrete driveway finishes: polished concrete finish, stained concrete finish, decorative concrete finish, exposed aggregate finish, broom finish. Concrete driveway installation process. Step 1: Assessment of the project site. Step 2: On-site preparation and delivery of materials. Step 3: Installation of the concrete driveway. Step 4: Sealing using a top-of-the-line concrete sealer. Step 5: Curing of concrete. Why hire us? High-end concrete driveways. Professional concrete contractor. Affordable concrete driveway cost. Contact us today. South Bend Concrete Contractors Company, 1142 East Indiana Avenue, South Bend, Indiana 46613, 574-406-1907 http://southbendconcretecontractors.com/